It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
We got history. Got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could've happened or what could've been. Finally your face, I know it, that a sight to see.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is the 16th of December and I have some things that I have to do. So today I'm going to get my COVID vaccine. I actually got the first vaccine, but then I didn't get the second one. So I'm going to get the second one, then hopefully I have plans on getting a new piercing, like just somewhere around this area. So anywhere that seems cute, but hopefully somewhere here or here maybe, or just inside any of these three parts that I've mentioned. That's why I'm going to get the piercing. When I come back from getting the COVID vaccine, I have to get my puzzles because I'm planning on doing a mini haul for you guys. So you guys will see the video, I think right after this one. Yeah, so that's just it for today. Yeah, so see you guys. Bye. Okay, so we are going to taste the food that we've bought. For me, it's the first time. For Martha, it's her second time?
Not even second.
Naomi.
It's not the second time.
Yeah, so fingers crossed. That's nice. Slapping.
Going down. The message in this, I can't wait to drink the soup.
Yeah, typical Chinese.
There's just one thing about China that people don't actually tell the world out there. Chinese people are actually very good cooks.
Word.
Their food is very, very nice. It's how cheap. I think it's one thing that I'll miss the most when I leave China, like their food.
We got history. Got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could've happened or what could've been.
Oh, I told you guys I was going to drink this soup. The way Cow is looking at me.
Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history. Put my feelings all aside, don't know what to make it right. Pictures popping on my mind, all these occasions, let's work it out with me. I don't think it hurts to give another try on it. We got history, got me feeling.
Okay. Alright, let's get. 不要怕，不要动啊！ Yeah, don't shake. Just start. 好了。OK， 秀。
How do I look cute?
Let's chill a bit. 有点痛了啊。Yeah. 好。来擦一下。就。
It's so big. How does it look? But
位置还好的。
yeah,
that hurts. 等一下你擦一下啊。
It's bleeding.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
酒精啊。
Oh, it's been bushy.
那你 need to put 回去那个消炎的啊。OK， 弄一下啊。回去那个消炎弄一下。
The first time when he put, I didn't feel it, but now when he put the second time, kangena.
We got history, got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me, thinking about what could.
Guys, this thing actually hits. Oh my god. But I look cute.
We got history, got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me, thinking about what could have happened or what could have been. Finally your face, I know ain't that a sight to see. Take my time, then take your clothes off one more time maybe. Acting like you don't recall it ain't impressive.
Hi guys, so I just got back from wherever we went. So my ear is not hurting because like it was cold outside and then my ear feels so cold, so I can't feel anything at the moment. It just feels numb. But then like I keep forgetting when like taking off the mask or putting on the mask, there's the thing at the back. I keep hooking the mask in it and that's when it starts hurting. But for now there's no pain at all. It just actually feels normal. Yeah, so after I got back I went to C9. So I got some parcels. I'm about to shoot a video, a whole video. I think I told you guys about it. Yeah, but anyways, I have a package that I have to unbox with you guys. Yeah, so
Didn't come to see your friends, I know you came for me. Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history. Put my feelings all aside, don't know what to make it right. Pictures popping on my mind, all these occasions, let's work it out with me. I don't think it hurts to give another try on it. We got history, got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me, thinking about what could have happened or what could have been.
okay, so I got a mini laptop. Ooh. It's so cute. It's so small. I actually thought it was going to be bigger. I like it though. But if you want one, just hit me up. Text me on Instagram. Yeah. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Right now I'm about to start shooting a video. I think I've already told you guys that. Yeah, so yeah, bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, subscribe. Please do subscribe because a lot of you have been watching but I don't yet subscribe. What are you waiting for? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.